Hey everyone! Today we're going to explore how to connect ConvertKit to Facebook ads quickly and easily. If you're new to ConvertKit, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who already have an account, just log in and follow along. To get started, you'll first need a Zapier account. Zapier helps you connect ConvertKit with Facebook ads automatically. Once you're logged in, head over to your Zapier dashboard. Click Create, then select Zaps to start building your automation. If you need help at any point, Zapier's Copilot feature is there to guide you. Next, choose ConvertKit and Facebook Ads from the list of available apps. On the right side of your screen, fill in the required details. To connect your ConvertKit account, click Sign In. You'll need your API key. Simply go to your ConvertKit account, open Developer Settings, and copy your secret key. Paste it back into Zapier and click Yes, Connect to ConvertKit. Once that's done, repeat the same process for your Facebook Ads account. Log in using your Facebook credentials, and Zapier will link your account automatically. Now that both accounts are connected, take a moment to configure your settings. You can customize your automation however you like. When everything looks good, click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it! You've successfully connected ConvertKit to Facebook ads. This setup will help you automate your marketing and save valuable time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process simple and easy to follow.